Alright guys, I got the hardtail finished last night, and now I'm going to finish this video by installing the cross bracing for the seat. Now, when these get sent to you, they're longer than what they need to be, so you cut it down to fit inside here. And this is the seat pan kit I ordered from TJ Brutal. It's pretty nice. So far, bolting these springs on has been the hardest part of this build. Those are a real pain in the ass, so something to be aware of if you guys order this kit. But this just bolts up there where the gas tank bolts in, and I'm gonna figure out where exactly I need to put that bar and weld the little retainers on. And then I'm gonna pull this thing off the lift and take some pictures of it and sit on it and see how I like it. Then after that, it's on to the exhaust. So, all right, I'm gonna cut this down and then weld it in place. Not sure how, you guys probably can't see that at all. It looks like 9 1/4 inches. So I'm gonna take that pipe over to my, get down here. I'm gonna take that pipe over my vise, lay it out and cut it to size, and then get it wedged and tacked in here. It looks like this pipe's at 11 5/8, so I'm just gonna take my little grease pen here and just make a mark right here at 9 1/4. You can't really see it, but I can see it. Let's cut it. There. We are 9 1/4. All right, I got the seat pan on. I got the crossbar tacked in. I got the mounts, posts, whatever they're called. They're tacked in. So I just bolted up the seat just to make sure everything fit right. And I sat on it, tested it out, and I like where it's at. So now I'm gonna finish weld everything up. And then that'll be the end of the seat pan and hardtail. So, last step here. Let's get it. Alright guys, there you have it. Finished hardtail, seat posts, all welded up in. And will be cleaned up and ready for powder coat eventually. Alright guys, there you have it. The hardtail seat posts, they're all welded in, fully welded. Everything's done with that. So my next adventure is doing the exhaust. Cutting up a bunch of pieces that I got and trying to make it look cool, kinda, somewhat. I also got a rebuild kit from TJ Brutal. When I get done, I'll post shopping list of everything that I bought and the amount, how much I had into this. I bought this bike for 1,400 bucks, and I think I got about 1,000 in parts right now, so I'm sitting at like 2,400. Not real sure, give or take a couple of hundred. But so yeah, it's a fairly cheap budget build. I guess I shouldn't say cheap, it's not necessarily cheap, but it's more economical than other builds you'd see. So yeah, build the exhaust, rebuild the carburetor, and then I should be able to start it and hear what it sounds like with because I'm just going to do a straight through exhaust. So anyway, there's the hardtail and the seat pan posts. Any questions, drop them down in the comments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you.